Hello, I'm Barry Biesanz, and I'm the owner of Biesanz Woodworks, a small craft operation here in Costa Rica. I have no design training. I can't draw. I have to compose things through physical objects. But I've always been drawn to natural beauty and try and reflect that in the work. We're keeping it simple and letting the wood stand out as the principal element. We've gotten heavily into reforestation over the last 30 years and learned a great deal more about trees and started using more local timbers. If something falls down, I have a chance of knowing what it is or whether it's of any use. In terms of woodwork, it's don't make stuff that's going to be discarded. I've had people ask me repeatedly to make wooden cell phone cases, but they keep changing the sizes. But sometimes I'll get an order for 30 or 40 bowls. I'll always have to negotiate. They're not all going to be the same. That's the charm of it. Live with it.